If you're a homeowner and you notice a drone flying over your house, it might be your insurance company checking to see if your home is meeting policy requirements.
Insurance companies now using those aerial drones to peek at homes from above. Their goal is to avoid insuring high-risk homes.
CBS 12's Victoria Cardenas explains why this type of inspection is more common than you might think.
Insurance companies legally have the right to take aerial footage of your home, and the use of drones is to be more efficient and get a better view of your roof. But some feel that this could make Florida's homeowners insurance crisis even worse. Insurers are figuring out if your home is worth their risk without ever stepping foot on your property. In the past, companies would send inspectors to your home. Now, all it takes is a drone. Insurance companies are using drones to take pictures of your home before deciding whether to insure it or not.
It's one thing to use those photos and say, okay, we want you to fix this, or we're going to charge you more. But it's another thing to say, bye-bye, we're not going to be your safety net anymore, right? That's a really big deal.
Amy Bach, the executive director of the consumer advocacy group United Policyholders, isn't against the use of drones, but she says how they're using them is hurting homeowners.
You know, people getting dropped when their policy expires based on aerial images, it's sweeping the country as a problem.
Insurance experts disagree. Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute says the use of drones isn't new and are mainly used to assess the physical property, specifically your roof.
When aerial technology is taken of your property, they may see some undeclared items, not necessarily looking for them, but say you installed a swimming pool, you never notified your insurer. You have a trampoline, which in many cases is a violation of your policy agreement.
Friedlander adds the most common time to have your home inspected is when it's time to renew or when you bought new coverage. And insurers, by law, are required to give you 48 hours notice of an inspection. If the insurer determines your home's too risky, Florida law also requires that the insurer tell you why they're not renewing your policy.
Less claims equals better pricing for everybody. So that's really the goal here. The goal isn't to cancel people's policies or to have a gotcha. We found something in your yard.
Drone and aerial photos are likely here to stay. Amy Bach with United Policyholders says she is calling on lawmakers to give more powers to consumers and give them more time to make any changes before their policy is canceled. Reporting in West Palm Beach, Victoria Cardenas, CBS 12 News.